What's up, guys? Up in Duluth now. About 7 something. Man, beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful. Sunny. In the city it was a little bit cloudy, but up here, look at that. Not a speck of cloud anywhere. Let's take a look. Let's go onto the beach and check the lake out. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. That is beautiful. Hey, check this out. This year they made a little staircase here. It's a beautiful day. Hardly any wind up here. It's just like a slight breeze. A really light breeze. Alright guys, roughly about 8:30 right now, almost 9. The sun is starting to set behind us pretty good. So it's on a Thursday. We're not expecting a whole bunch of people, so it's just the 3 of us here, me, my dad, my nephew, and then we got a couple guys, neighbors over there, just the 2 of them. So it's the nighttime. People are gonna start to slowly roll in. Got dressed, got the waders on, got the clothes on. The water is getting a little bit choppy right now, but it ain't so bad, you know. It's really doable. Not bad at all. It's just a little bit chilly right now. Yeah, we got more and more people coming through here. We got some really cool guys over there. They've been here yesterday. They did really good. We got more guys coming over there. They said this place was really producing lately. We've been in this little area for a couple years now. This is the 3rd year we've been back here. It's been really good. This is where we got them 5-gallon pole. That's why we're always back here. Park Point, guys, Park Point. Alright, first pole of the night, guys. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Not bad. Not bad for a first pole. Yeah, probably 30 for a first pole. That's quite a lot for a first pole tonight, quite early too. Go again, about 20-ish per pole right now. That's 3 pull. Not including the 4 pull yet. Damn guys, this is a really nice pull. Look at that. All that. All the way into the pocket. The pocket is pretty good amount too.
It's all good.
That's what we're talking about, man. Woo! Yeah.
So we wait until they all pull in?
Yep. Hell yeah, man. That's what we're talking about. It's picking up now.
Hell
It's
yeah.
picking up now. Damn.
Oh, there's half a gallon right there.
Holy crap.
That's what I got for the last time I went. Shit, no, 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 no.
Hey, what's up guys? So there was a lot of questions and comments regarding about starting smelting from my previous video posted back in 2019. I'm just gonna make a quick videos of it, what kind of the vital gear you need, and you know, how you should start and where to start. Well, first you need a net. There's 2 types of net. You either have a dip net or you either have a long sand net. That is your number 1, or else you won't be able to haul in any fish. Another thing is a wader. So you can either go with the cheap rubberized wader or a neoprene wader. My past experience, and I guess my suggestion is, if you can afford, get a neoprene. If you're gonna decide to be, you know, a long-term thing, it's an investment, but it's well worth it. You know. And then you're gonna need gloves. Doesn't matter what kind of glove, but as long as water glove, waterproof. I like this. This is a neoprene glove, and it's a you know, long sleeve glove, so it helps out a lot. It traps water in. I mean, if you do get wet, it traps the heat in and it keeps you warm regardless of how wet it is. You're gonna need some sort of waterproof jacket, like a raincoat or something, because if it's windy, it will help keep you warm. Other than that, those are the 3 most crucial gear that you need for smelting. You know, you don't have to spend a ton of money on it. You can just try it out, buy the cheap stuff and try it out. But you know, if you decide that you want to get serious in it, you can start buying a more expensive quality gear. Another thing is, you're gonna need some sort of heater to keep you warm. So you see me in the video, I brought my buddy heater. You know, you can do a fire up there, but you might get in trouble. Yeah, so it's not allowed, but people still does it. But later on, you know, if you get a ticket, that's on you. You'll need buckets and coolers, so you can you know, have places to store your fish and haul them home. We actually bring 2 buckets just so we can rinse off the fish, you know, pretty clean before we bring home. And then once we get home, you're gonna have to clean it again just to prepare it before you eat. It's really sandy. It depends on where you haul the fish from. You go on the beach, it's really sandy. If you go on the river, streams, not that bad, but it's a lot of competition down there, and it's a lot of people, so a lot of rocks too, so you gotta be careful. You're gonna need some sort of lighting. You know, lanterns are really good when you're on shore and you're cleaning fishes and doing all that stuff. Headlamp is recommend. You don't need a really powerful one, but something that you can see when you haul, when you do stuff. Yeah, that's about it. Most importantly, I'll have a lot of the items I just mentioned in the description, and then a link to the netting company, Duluth Net Trading Company.
So this is how it's done, guys. You got one guy as point man, usually the taller, stronger guy. And then you have the weaker, shorter guy on the shore as the anchor. So what they do is they'll drag the net out about waist high, a little bit higher than waist. And point man will loop it around while the anchor guy kind of anchor over here. And then they'll both slowly pull it to the shore. So they'll slowly make a loop back to the shore. So usually I'm usually the point man because I'm stronger, you know. And my old man's a little bit old, but I told him that, hey, you gotta go out so I can make a clip. I can get a clip of you guys going now, see how it's done. So yeah, I'm gonna walk with them too, so you know, just so you guys can see. This is only for video purpose only. Usually you don't shine a light in the water. It's called baiting fish, so you're not supposed to do that, but for video purpose I am doing it. So you see how the point man is coming back now. And then you got the anchor still there. He's slowly coming back, but point man has got to be stronger because he's gonna have to walk a little bit faster, and it takes a little bit more strength. So right now, part of the net right now feels super heavy. It feels like it's 200 pounds, and you're gonna feel your forearm, which is your dominant forearm, your pulling forearm. It's gonna burn like crazy. So they're about the same distance back to the shore right now. Some people like a lot of slack, and some people like a pretty tight net. But it doesn't matter, man. When there's fish, there's fish. So lately the pole's been pretty light again. So I think you know, that was just the first batch coming through, a light batch. The heavy one hasn't come yet. Those are like the scouters, you know. So I'm gonna have to give them a hand once I get to the shore. If I don't fall. This little embankment here is pretty slippery. It's like a drop off, and then it goes right up. And that, guy, is how it is done. So y'all want to know with the big net.